Hello, bliss morning, friends in white all over the world. Please welcome back to my channel, Beauty Lopez. Please come and listen my song again, guys. And mega love shout out. Mega love shout out to all very supportive friends, beautiful people. Mega love shout out, and most especially to our to Team Zumbi, to our beloved chairman, Sir Meral Ventura or Sir Jasmine. Please come and listen my song, guys. Thank you. We used to have good times together, but now I feel them slip away. It makes me cry to see love die. So sad to watch good love go bad. Remember how you used to feel then. You said nothing could change your mind. It breaks my heart to see us part. So sad to watch good life go by. Is it any wonder that I feel so blue when I know the certain that I'm losing you? Remember how you used to feel then. You said nothing could change your mind. It breaks my heart to see us part. So sad to watch good life go by. So sad to watch good life go by. It's sad to say goodbye. Bye-bye. Please stay, guys. Sometimes late at night, I lie awake and watch him sleeping. He's lost in peaceful dreams, so I turn out the light and lay there in the dark. And the thought crosses my mind, if I never wake up in the morning, won't he ever doubt the way I feel about him in my heart? If tomorrow never comes, will he know how much I love him? Did I try in every way to show him everything, that he's my only one? And in my time on earth we're through, and he must face this world without me. Is the love I give him in the past gonna be enough to last if tomorrow never comes? 'cause I lost loved ones in my life who never knew how much I loved them. Now I live without regret that my true feeling for them never were them. So I made a promise to myself to say each day how much he means to me, and avoid that circumstance where there's no second chance to tell him how I feel. If tomorrow never comes, well, he knows how much I love him. Did I try in every way to show him every day that she's my only one? And in my time when hurt were true, and he must face this world without me, is the love I give him in the past gonna be enough to last if tomorrow never comes? So feel that someone that you love, just what you're thinking of, if tomorrow never comes. Last song, please. Something. Oh my God. Last song, guys. Let It Be Me. I bless the day I found you. Oh, wanna stay around you, and so I beg you, let it be me. Don't take this heaven from one if you must cling to someone now and forever. Let it be me. It's time we meet, love. I find complete love without your sweet love. What would life be? So never leave me lonely. Say that you love me only, and that you'll always let it be me. Let it be me, Mr. Yang. Oh yeah, mega love shout out. And thank you for watching. Happy 2025 to all friends in YT. Mega love shout out, guys. It's time we meet, love. I find complete love without your my dream. So never leave me lonely. Tell me you love me always, and that you'll always let it be me. Thank you for watching, and that you'll always let it be me. Let it be me. Thank you for watching. God bless. Love you all.